Hi, my name is Bridget. So my TV show is set in Florida and it is based on a person who gets artificially inseminated, and the whole series goes through her whole life from the moment she finds out she's pregnant to what she's going to do with her life. Is she going to become a novelist? Is she going to become a writer, a teacher? Whatever she wants. It just goes through the whole thing. There's a lot of love triangles, uh, a lot of family drama, especially because there's multiple cultures that get incorporated into this TV show. So then you get to watch how different cultures collide and how they incorporate that into their lives, their new family's life, and all the drama that's in there. It's a murder mystery, it's a romantic comedy. It's a very good show. So that's my show. Let me know if you figure it out. Thank you.